Give me some water.
It hasn't
Give me the water.
It hasn't been 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Give me the water.
Right here. 2 minutes and 30
That's
seconds.
it!
You're halfway through.
I thought that was a joke.
You get the rest of the tender down, Brian. Oh my god, dude. It's like
Fuck no.
Air's, come on, Brian.
Angel.
Air is hitting my mouth.
No fucking way, dude.
Come on, bitch!
Alright, what's up all you ladies and gents? We're here back with the Backwards Bunch with the crew here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Me and Brian are splitting one. We got a chicken wing, we got the hottest one. Ghost pepper extract, and what else? What else is it?
Carolina Reaper.
Carolina Reaper mix.
Alright,
From the camera. From the camera.
been on a bunch of Backwards Bunch videos. One of the main 3, I guess.
What's your name, bitch?
Brian B-Sphere.
AKA
We're
B-Sphere.
ready to do the Angry Chickz challenge.
Angel here, Truth is My Religion here with the Backwards Bunch once again, here to get it poppin'. You already know what it is.
I'm Ani, known as like Galaxy Green in some videos.
Dude, a little bit more enthusiasm. Go on.
You like freaking introducing yourself like you're in an interview.
I'm Cody, but like not that Cody, but this one. You know, there's 2. But we're not the same Cody. We're 2 different people. So,
All right, this is how it's gonna go. We got 5 minutes on the timer. Anybody who tries to reach for some water, they're gonna get it. All right.
oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, you want a fork?
Hey,
Oh, you want
take
a
a bite
fork?
of the tip.
You would.
You guys gotta eat the whole thing, remember?
Wait, right now? Let's eat like half and then we'll eat half later.
Hey, give me some rice.
Okay.
Dink it.
They get like half.
Dink it.
All right, bro.
You ready? Alright, let's go.
Time to start.
You didn't give me enough. What's in here? They're eating hella spicy.
Oh my god.
Angel, pass me the taser. Let me see it.
Yeah, remember that?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Get Angel's face.
Oh, sorry, I was getting the taser.
Angel's trying to reach for his tastes himself.
He's already taking his jacket off.
Oh hell no.
Give me the taser, give me the taser.
Turn it on.
We got runners. I wanted Angel trying to take out the taser and he shocks himself.
Fucked up, dog.
Oh, it's too hot.
It's just building up the intensity.
I can't believe you could talk right now.
As David was saying in the
Keep talking.
in another video,
On 9-9, it's raining.
David was saying it was like Pop Rocks.
Wipe your hands, bro. Clean everything.
Hey, make sure you guys don't touch your eyes.
I know.
Has it been a minute?
And begin.
It's been 15 seconds.
Eat it.
Shut up.
I'm dead serious.
No. It's been a minute. I got
Oh,
time.
dang it. I was trying to troll him.
Oh, it's not getting better.
Come on. It's been a minute already. You gotta throw it in.
You guys didn't dig.
Oh, Cody! Cody, take it like that! This is gonna hurt.
I'm not Eat it, Cody.
Keep going, honey. Keep going?
I can't swallow. I forgot how to swallow. Oh, figured it out.
Come on, honey, you're better. You can eat the second bite, catch up.
Oh my god.
Hi, Arnie.
Honey,
What the heck?
Just finish it. Holy shit.
Do I go again? I'm going
Too
again.
much. Oh, you're too fast.
Oh, what the frick? David.
David, baby.
Keep chewing, there's no heat. I need something else to chew. Y'all suck dick, man.
Look at Angel's crying, dude.
That's too much.
Fuck you guys. Oh my god. It feels like it gets better. It's just fucking getting worse. Oh my god. I can't feel myself. Give me some water.
It has
Give me the water!
Hasn't been 5 minutes.
5 minutes! Give me the water!
right here. 2 minutes and 30
That's
seconds.
it.
You're halfway through.
I thought that was a joke.
Get the rest of the tender down, Brian. Oh my god, dude. It's like
Fuck no.
air. Come on, Brian.
Angel.
Air is hitting my mouth.
No fucking way, dude.
Come on, bitch.
I can't see no more.
Don't be a bitch.
You didn't even
My
finish the
whole
word.
fucking face is fucking tingling right now.
Put it in.
Ooh, that's what
Put
she
it
said.
in, huh?
Come on, Angel.
Oh my god.
Angel, you gotta eat the other
Brian.
piece, dude.
Keep going.
Don't fucking tell me what I gotta do, alright?
Those tiny bites are gonna make it worse.
It's like you're trying not to fucking chew it, but it's so hot. Oh my god.
Cody.
Hey, give me another
He's
napkin.
going through it now.
Oh my god.
How's it going for you, honey?
Air.
He's all air hurts.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't laugh. Oh no.
Cody, take your glasses off, bro. You're like a sweating.
Holy shit. You want a hug? No, fuck, dude. It's like that whole fucking face is tingling, dude.
Hey, get another bite, bitch.
The head is like oval, and it's fucking
You gotta finish it,
sideways.
dude.
Hold your fucking horses, man.
Man, how
How
much
much
on
time?
timer,
How
bro?
much time?
It's only been a
2
minute.
minutes and 13 seconds, dude.
For
Oh, a minute.
Fuck you,
we only have a
Virginia.
minute left.
Throw it back, dude, because after the minute's done, you guys are gonna fucking put shit in your mouth.
Do I have to finish?
Do I have to say? Do I have to say it again?
Absolutely.
Oh my god.
I thought you were confident in finishing it, Cody.
Confident in food, bitch. The fuck?
It's too hot.
I can't feel
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Fuck.
I feel like.
Honey's like, looking
Yeah, look at this guy over here in the back just fucking enjoying it.
Yeah.
That's
All
like.
right, I'll see you later.
You think we get our turn?
If we didn't get banned, I'd take my shirt off.
Who said we get banned?
I think you think.
Take your shirt off. Show the nipples, dog. Take your shirt off, Angel.
How do you guys do it?
Sauce at least with some sauce. Want to cover some sauce?
I'm only gonna eat another one after it.
Dog, it might be Pride Month, but dog, I don't roll that way.
I can't feel my nose.
Dude, the back of
Hey,
my
it's been. It has to have been. It has to have been a minute already.
Shut the fuck up and finish it.
It's approaching.
1 second.
Hey, give me my fucking drink, dude.
Come in with it. Just stay there.
Tase him, tase him, tase him, tase him.
Go back.
Stay in shot, motherfucker. Stay in shot.
Oh my god.
Why would you drink cold?
Not you guys yet. You guys, it's not your time.
Did you drink it? Okay.
I was about to. Honey, what do you need?
Dude,
I got it right here, man.
Alright, you're good.
you knew exactly what you were getting me into,
Yeah,
you
I did.
motherfucker.
I did. Hey,
Fucking bastard.
Hey, bring me a
Angel.
beer.
The back of my
I don't want a
lip hurts.
Gatorade.
Sounds
about right.
I thought we might tell you. We ordered extra angry sauce on this. Extra angry powder.
It's nothing, dude. Whatever. As long as I got.
Oh yeah, finish that shit then, bitch.
Bitch.
I can feel my asshole sweating.
Hold on, give me a.
Oh! There's nothing on my finger. I just got.
Okay, I can understand what Drew's saying because he was talking about the slushy last time.
Oh fuck.
As soon as you put the slushy, dude, it goes away. But dude, right after, right back to the fucking pop rocks, dude.
You gotta finish it, dude.
Yeah, I think I know that, bud.
30 seconds.
Alright, where's the thing? I'll get it right now.
Hey, how you doing, dude?
The back of my lips hurt. Remember, if you don't finish.
Pussy lips.
Hey,
Cody's all. I don't want to get tased.
Alright, you guys are good. You guys are good. You guys start drinking.
Oh. I thought you said we had to finish.
oh my
No,
god,
you do finish, but.
I didn't want to pussy out, but oh my god, dude, this shit's fucking hot.
Oh, what are you doing?
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I suck ass with spice.
I think you're doing pretty well.
The sucking ass part, we all know he does. But I don't know about the spice.
I'm much better now.
Alright, eat that.
You gotta eat the other piece.
I know.
So,
I'm done.
a little bit about what we're trying to do here with the backwards bunch. Obviously, we got the crew here. Oh my god, I can't talk.
Oh, Cody, there's more video right now.
You gonna cut for you?
Oh
and
my
Cody?
god.
You gonna cut for you and Cody?
All right, hold on.
I put.
Let me put this in there, Cody.
Eat shit, bitch, and die.
Obviously, this is what the backwards bunch is all about. We do some gaming. We do that here and there. You like what you see? Comment and subscribe down below. And comment, see what you guys want to see. Maybe we might give one to the homeless. Who knows? $100.
Oh my god. I drink more of this.
Oh my god.
Don't drink.
Oh fuck, it's so
That's
hot.
illegal,
Drink
dude.
my yogurt.
Hey, give me his Go-Gurt. That bitch don't need it. He didn't even finish. He didn't even finish.
I think David got
On, you gotta finish that sucker, dude.
Drew, you got a
I know,
spoon?
hold on. Ow. No, I know.
You motherfucker.
It burns.
That other one we don't have to eat, right?
It's still burning my fucking lips.
It's in
I
the
turned my
fridge.
camera.
Spoon?
Yeah. That's for them. Oh my god, dude.
Oh, honey, where is it?
Should be in the fridge.
Oh, the bottom part?
Oh my god. Dude, I'm ready to finish it when you are.
One of my legs went numb.
Dude, that's only half. That's only half.
Yeah, I know.
I was talking a lot of shit
It's
earlier,
only
but
half.
it's hitting me worse now.
That ain't Gogurt.
Dude, I need a spoon.
That's mine. Get a spoon.
Here, take the fork.
Oh my god. No.
Reach. Angel.
Fuck, do we have
my
more
God, dude,
napkins?
thank you.
No, huh?
I didn't even get a napkin.
Yeah, I don't even want to lick my fingers.
You shouldn't.
Here's in your.
Do we have more napkins?
You still gotta finish that fucking tender.
Do we have more napkins?
Well done, man. God damn. Are you alright, dude?
Oh, I'm alright.
Boom almost got shot.
Hey, he was the first one to get water though before me.
Nah.
I took another bite though, man.
Come on.
Eat it.
Oh, hold on.
Look at something came on you.
Wait for you and Cody?
Yeah, eat it. Eat your tender.
We're gonna fucking eat it, dude.
Come
Hold on.
Come on, bitch.
It's fucking hot.
Okay.
It's
I'm ready.
hot, dude. Hold
I'm
on.
so glad I came into this high. I think I hit the ground, dude.
Hey, let's finish it.
What is this?
You're
You
fucking talking.
gotta finish it already, dude.
I am. Hold
You're
on.
fucking not. You're just fucking dancing in place.
I got so much of it on my nose. Somehow.
Coca,
You're gonna finish your
Shut
slushie.
it
You're gonna
together.
finish your slushie. You're gonna be fucked.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you.
It's okay, man. It's right. It does not fucking get better.
Hey, see if you can find more napkins in there, David.
Shut up, bitch. Why you using all the napkins, man? Not giving me
Check
one.
your car.
I
McDonald's.
feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah. He throws up, please. While he's throwing it.
He goes up. Go throw it.
No.
Yeah. Dude, just use your spoon, man.
I'm David. I'm timing out right here.
No, you gotta finish it, dude.
All right, bitch, let's go.
What do you mean you're David? David ate that.
I'm waiting for Angel. Hurry the fuck up, Angel.
Shut
Take a-
the fuck
You're
up,
not gonna eat
man.
less than David.
It's on the bread. I'll use it.
Yeah. I'm looking scared.
These guys are already done, dude.
I know, food.
I guess it's just Angel.
You understand that I'm in pain?
Me too, bitch.
So, honey, what do you think? How was it? Yeah, that's hot. That's fucked up.
Shut up, you're making me laugh. It's hurting.
I drank this and my lips started
Drew, give me
burning
some water. Drew, give me some water. Drew, give me some water.
Dude, you have your slushie right there.
Give me some water, motherfucker.
No,
Some ice.
dude.
You want some Gatorade?
Yeah,
Right there.
fucking finish
These
the
are all
fucking
fucking
tender.
snow.
No, there's water right
Oh,
there.
fuck it.
Give me the water, I'll finish it.
Can I get
Give me the water, I'll finish it.
Finish it, I'll get you the
Give me the
water.
water, I'll finish it.
Finish it, I'll get you the water.
Hey, can you grab me? Oh, man.
Son of a bitch.
You took the skin off?
I'm gonna eat the skin. I'm gonna eat it, alright? God damn it. God.
What are you doing?
Hold on, man. Every time I go in, it fucking burns even more.
Come on. Sorry, I think you really don't want that water.
You have to wait.
I'm done.
Yeah, you did it. It was boring. He fucking de-skinned it.
He de-skinned it.
Took off all the chili.
So it wasn't that bad.
It just works now.
Oh my god, dude, I'm trying to get as much yogurt as I can.
It's still affecting you guys? Cody.
My muscles are gone. Yup. They're gonna be in pain tomorrow.
My nose is running.
Cody,
That's what happened.
is it as bad as you thought it was gonna be?
Did you underestimate it?
I overestimated that bitch. By a lot.
Wait, you thought it was gonna be worse?
Yeah. You under.
Where's my water? Give me my water.
No, that's skin right
Eat that skin.
Give me my water. Give me my water.
You got some skin right there. Whoa. I'm gonna go get it right now.
Give me my water.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, bro, here.
For all you guys out there saying that I'm a pussy or something, you fucking try this shit.
Oh, fuck.
And all
Oh
those
my god.
Hey, get him a white cloth.
Dude, hot water. You're gonna give me.
It's room temperature.
Give him a couple.
It's room temperature.
That's all they got.
You want it? Hey, get this fool a white cloth, bro.
He's leaving it.
My bad, bro. I'm feeling an intense pressure on my head, and it feels like I'm high.
No, you're not.
At first, dude, after I ate the motherfucker, it was like perfectly fine, right? It was like, oh yeah, it's pretty nut. This is nothing.
Yeah.
And after a while, it fucking.
My stomach's
peaked,
heating
dude.
up. My stomach's heating up.
You talking more, dude, and I just...
Flying there.
Poop train's coming, dude.
My stomach, my stomach feels like it's heating up, bro. Like it feels like a kettle just, and I'm gonna hit that point. Oh, that burned my mouth when I did that.
Oh my fucking
All I
god,
want to
dude.
do is I see half of that plate. I gave him a question blue.
Oh my god.
Stopwatch ready for you
I
guys.
took mine out. I took mine out, dude.
You ain't took shit up, bitch. You ate yogurt.
It's waiting for you, Cody.
Give me like 2 seconds.
Sure.
Oh, you go to the hospital.
It's crazy.
No, you'll be fine.
I've been here before. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, man, why'd you wait? I saw you start working.
Ah,
I mean, you were so fast there, you know. So.
try moving.
We did it.
Oh, fudge. Oh, no. No.
Why are you censoring yourself? I had to try it. Drive over.
Hey, my bubble's gonna be on fire, dude.
One.
That's not bad.
Not that
Take
bad,
the taser
Drew?
away from Cody. Take the taser away from the Cody.
No, it's not. It's not.
Does it get worse?
Oh, you guys are chumps. Oh, eat the rest
The
of
more
it.
you breathe, the more it burns.
That's
No,
not
it's
a lie.
the more you breathe, the more you
Make me
burn
one.
if you eat a whole one, dude. You
Not
eat a
strawberry?
chicken nugget.
Thanks.
Yeah, kiwi.
Hey, that sucker's hot.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. I mean, I ate like a good half of mine, and my mouth was already burning. Every time I broke.
Hey, Cody, we're eating the ones that, from Hanford, right?
Again?
Hit me with another one. No.
Right there. Hey, there's still more of another one we have sitting here, guys.
I can eat the other one, but I don't know about that one. Are they still that different?
Yeah,
Same
damn,
shit.
you see the damage
No,
done in Cody's brain?
the ones messed up.
Oh,
Move my keys.
for sure.
Come here.
Eat another one, bitch.
Hey, you
The spoon?
eat another one.
Me?
Yeah, Drew's bitch.
I'll eat that.
Dude, how are you
Eat that.
sweating through a windbreaker, man?
Huh?
30 million degrees in this
Hey, what's
place.
this? When I come back?
Why?
I'll eat another one with you.
Yeah, I'm saying. you
I'll eat this
that
sucker.
one?
I'm eating that sucker.
No,
I'm eating this
no,
sucker.
No,
David,
I
you-
mean,
Got the other wings.
The fuck?
It's on.
That's a. Why'd you eat the pieces I wanted to eat?
Can't eat the circumcised
Eat
one,
that.
I drooled everywhere. Ah! Put it in your mouth! Alright! Fuck! Eat it, come on!
Damn, your hand will be louder than us.
Come on, the other piece. The other piece. I gotta chew this one down for a
Sure.
second. I have to.
Sure, whatever.
It tastes like fucking sand, though, man.
You should have left it.
You gonna go get the
mouth, bro.
other two?
I just waiting for somebody to go get it.
Give the keys back.
Oh, damn.
He's crying.
So what'd you think, Cody?
What'd you think, Cody?
Are you good, David? What'd you think, Cody? I know you were coming in here thinking you were hot shit. Like
got ice cream?
It was.
I mean, I got stuff for cookies, dude.
Duh.
Cookies and ice cream. Dude. Well, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
You want some?
Hell yeah.
Hey, can you walk the block real quick and give the rest to Cody?
Hey, dude. That shit is fucking hot. That shit is no joke, dude.
No.
That shit is no fucking joke, bro.
It was way worse the first time.
Oh my god. I feel high. Like, I feel like I'm high as fuck right now.
I don't know why I'm eating ice.
Sniffle twice if you need help.
Nibble twice.
That fool fell in.
Like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to see some more shit.
Hell yeah. Give us some other challenges to do.
Backwards bunch.
Yep.
My face is fucking numb.
Next week we're doing the anal challenge.
Okay. No one wants to see that.